Don't forget to subscribe my channel and must press the bell icon to get all notification of new videos. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Art with Maha. My name is Maha and I am giving free fine arts online classes. Today in this video I will teach you how to draw and color cute hairstyle with pencil colors. I am using my Pelican colors, but you can use a Prisma color or Faber-Castell because these are very best color pencils. I am using a tissue paper to blend my colors, and you can use cotton bud and cotton ball. I collect my all yellow family from my color box, like light yellow, yellow ochre, lemon yellow, yellow, orange, light brown. Here I am using my light yellow for basic tone with very light pressure because it's starting point, so we should very light strokes and fine lines, and don't cover full area because we need some highlighted area like shiny area. These areas should be highlighted, so I'm not doing any color in this area. Again I am using my light pencil, yellow color, light yellow color with normal pressure. Now I am using my yellow ochre color to draw fine lines and very thin lines. So make sure that your colors, all colors should be very sharp because we need very thin lines and fine lines. So sharp your all colors before your drawing. Don't cover your highlighted area, drop it white. Now I am using my light brown color to add some texture of hair with very thin lines. You can change your color light to dark. Let's suppose starting with light yellow color and move it to light brown color. Light brown color used for shadow area. Now I am adding some dark and shadow area with my golden pencil color. Now I am using my light brown color and using my black color for final touch. Now I am going to blend my highlighted area with white pencil color. I am repeating my same process, starting with very light color and move to dark and dark and dark with normal pressure. Center area should be highlighted, shiny area, so I am not covering it. In my upcoming video, I will teach you more colorful and different hairstyles. So please like, share and comment my video. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and must press the bell icon to get all notifications of my new videos. So see you soon with new lessons. Take care.